Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Introduce myself. My name is Afisu Kasifah. On this occasion, I will explain about informing, giving information. And this presentation is teaching material for basic writing courses from Lecturers Mem Dewi Nobita. Okay, and the material this time we will discuss first gathering information, second using statistical informations, third writing paragraph using statistical informations, fourth combining sentences, and last capitalization. Okay, let's go straight to the first discussions with gathering informations. In gathering informations, there are three steps that must be done. The first is before writing. Before writing, you must make a list of questions that you want to ask your partner or resource persons. The second is writing. At this text, write a paragraph that describes the persons you are interviewing according to the results of your interview. Lastly, revising. At this text, you are asked to correct your writing if there are words that are not appropriate, and ask your partner opinions about your writing, then rewrite your paragraph according to the suggestion of your partner. Next, using statistical information. Statistical information usually uses vocabulary like the following to help use statistical information: increase, decrease, fall, rise, greater, right, percent, and percentage. Statistical information is often presented in the form of charts, graphs, and table. Sometimes you will want to use statistical information to spot your topic sentence. And writing paragraph using statistical informations. So you will see here there is a chart about electricity generation in Indonesia by full types 2010 till 2015. Here it explained that oil is 59%, brown coal is 26%, gas is 10%, black coal is 5%, and hydro is 0.3%. And according to the just we can make a paragraph. We can make paragraph like this. The chart shows us about electricity generation in Indonesia by fuel type like oil, brown coal, gas, black coal, and hydro in 2010 until 2015. According to the charts, about 59% electricity generation in Indonesia used oil, which places oil as the most heavily used fuel type for electricity generation, followed by brown coal in the second most used fuel type by 26%, while the lowest fuel types used is hydro as much as 0.3%, a 4.7% difference from the black coal which used as much as 5%. Next, combining sentences. Sometimes you can make your writing more interesting by combining two short sentences. Write word like and, but, and or. And combining sentences with and, for example, she has a beautiful voice and she dances very well. And combining sentences with but. The example, he worked all night but he didn't finish the projects. And combining sentences with or. For example, you can study in the language lab or you can go to the library. The last capitalizations. First, use the capital letters for names of people, countries, states, cities, towns, cheese, day of the week, month of the year, and holiday. The example: December is a school holiday and Tasya is on vacation to Bali. The capital letters here is December. December to declare the month, and Tasya is the names of a person, and Bali is the names of the city. Uh, Begin seconds begin the first word of every sentence word with capital letters. The example: every school day, more than 7,000 students becomes drops out. The word every, every, the word every uses a capital letters because it is at the beginning of the sentences, and just begin the first word of a direct quotes with a capital letters. The example: our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to success is always to try just one more time. Thomas A. Edison's famous quotes, 2013. For capitalists, the names are book, magazines, and movies. The example: Andy is reading to write to understand basic writing courses. The word readings to write uses capital letters because it is the names of a book, and in the word to why not use capital letters because to is conjunctions between reading and write. Maybe that's all I can explain in the material this time. Hopefully, it can increase our knowledge about the informing, giving informations. See you next time, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.